Hey guys, Shanos here. What's going on? Welcome to this video. So today we're going to talk about traffic sources, top traffic sources for your affiliate marketing campaigns and how to use them correctly to make money online. All right, so what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to talk about three top traffic sources that you should definitely use this year. And I'm going to explain how to use it. I'm going to give you a quick introduction to using them so you get a good idea of how to use it. And also I'm going to explain what to use it with, because this is something no one talks about, is that it's not just about getting the traffic, but it's about pointing it at the right direction, because based on the traffic and where it comes from, you need to actually point it to the right direction. You need to have the right funnel for it. So what I'm going to do, besides explaining how to use the traffic source, I'm going to explain how to actually direct it to the right place so you get the most out of it, get the best results with it. All right, so we're going to talk about three traffic sources. Number one is going to be Bing advertising, something I've talked about a lot before, but not enough. And it's one of the best places to get advertising for your affiliate campaigns, and it's just easy. They're very affiliate friendly if you know how to do it, if you do it right. And the second one is going to be Google advertising. Okay, so it's something that I'm actually getting into more and more. This is not just any Google, just Google pay-per-click, the search results ad, which is really powerful if you know how to use it. And they have much easier rule, like they're much more easier on affiliates versus like Facebook or YouTube in general. All right, so Google pay-per-click, we're going to talk about that, and also I'm going to talk about YouTube advertising. All right, so let's get started. Let's go to my computer to talk about these traffic sources and how to use them. All right guys, so let's get it started. So before I start, I want to tell you something. So we're going to start with Bing advertising and Google advertising. Now the thing is, because these are both pay-per-click advertising, a lot of things I'm going to say about, Google ads, for example, is something you can apply exactly in the same way to Bing advertising. So it just applies to Bing advertising as well. All right, the only difference here is when we get to YouTube advertising, which is just slightly different, not that much. Again, I'm going to show you examples and everything. All right, so let's get started. Let me actually open the the sketchboard so I can draw in case if I need to. Alright, so I'm gonna start this by explaining something. So let's open a new one. So the thing is, with Google Ads, the first thing I always mention is the staging account. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have on both Google Ads and Bing advertising, you want to have a staging account. Staging account is like a second account where you run your ads for a while, and when you make sure everything works on that, you move it to your main account. The idea here is that, first of all, doing this is going to help you to protect your main account, because when you're doing affiliate marketing, a lot of things can go wrong, and for some reason, sometimes for no reason, basically they come in and they just suspend your account, okay, because they feel like you're doing advertising for affiliate products or something like that. Again, sometimes you make a mistake, and it has happened a lot to me and in past, and also a lot of my students. So that's why I always mention this. You want to have a staging account. Again, a staging account is like a second account where you run your ads for a while. When you make sure they all work, you just move them to the main account. All right, so this is my staging account, and also on Bing, this is my staging account as well. All right, so yeah, make sure you have this staging account. Now, next thing is, before you even do any ads, you want to set up your conversion tracking. So on Google Ads, you could actually go to Tools, Conversions, and start setting up. Okay, so you just start setting up the conversions, just give it a name and all that stuff, and there you go. Let me just show you. So website, so you specify what kind of conversion this thing is. For example, lead, give it a name, give it a value. You could give it a 0 value or something like that, whatever you want. Again, whether it's a sell or a lead, and then you can create continue, and then it's going to give you a code which you put it on the page, and that's it. Same thing for Bing. So you just go to conversion tracking, and then go to UE tags, and then there you go. So you only need to create one UE tag, UET tag. Sorry about that. And then what you do is you just go to conversion goals, and create a conversion goal. So that's basically a destination URL and everything. So basically what you need to do is you need to put this code, let's go here, put this code on every single page of your site. Okay, so that's how you track conversions. So let's talk about research. All right, so let's talk about keyword research. Again, I'm talking about Google pay-per-click and Bing pay-per-click. Now this is where I separate them a little bit because they're a little bit different. So what you want to do, the first thing, you know, obviously you want to do keyword research, and they have tools, right? So you go to tools here, keyword planner for Google Ads, and let's say I want to sell a product which is about dating. Okay, so yeah, so dating tips, and when you do a search, okay, you're just gonna get a lot of ideas. Now another way to get a lot of good keyword ideas, and these are like fresh keyword ideas and not just stuff that you get here, is you just search the keyword itself on Google. So if we do this, so dating tips, just let's see, so if you just search this, and if you scroll down, you're gonna see a lot of keywords. These are keywords that you could definitely use in your advertising campaigns. Now one thing that you want to remember, same thing for Bing advertising as well. Again, tools, keyword planner, okay, and just add the keyword. Okay, let's do something else, weight loss. So there you go, and then you just go ahead and you could get some ideas from here as well, and you can just search it, not on Google obviously. So you want to go to bing.com and search the keyword, scroll down, and you're gonna get a bunch of ideas as well here. Alright, so just keep that in mind, guys. Now one thing that you want to remember is that, again, I'm not going to get into setting up the campaigns and everything, okay, but something I want to tell you is the type of campaigns that you should run, because remember, this is search traffic, so it is targeted, okay, but it doesn't mean that people are gonna buy. So when it comes to converting search traffic to sales, you gotta remember two things. Number one is the keyword intention, okay? So by that I mean you have to target keywords that are being searched with the mindset of buying something. For example, if you have two keywords, one of them is weight loss, how to lose weight quick, let's say that's the first one, and the second one is weight loss training programs. So which one you think is gonna make you more money? Weight loss training programs, right? Even though that weight loss training programs might get less searches, but that keyword is gonna make you a lot more money. Why? Because when someone's searching that, they're ready to buy, right? So just keep that in mind. Keyword intention is really important, so you gotta use that in your advertising campaigns. Now in my experience, the best way to convert search traffic to sales is this. So when the traffic comes in, what you want to do is you want to provide information. Like this is what I usually do. I usually send them to a page where they have some sort of text. I don't recommend videos because people from search, it's kind of hard to get them to play a video, but you could try it. You could test it with your own audience, see how it works. But a little bit of text, but not too much. Keep that in mind, not too much. All right, let me show you a good example of this. So this is like a really nice example of a little bit of text on this page. So if you take a look, there's a little bit of text. This is where I'm sending this is one of the things that I sell. So the search traffic goes to this, and as you see, there's not much text, just a couple of, this is good content, but again, not a lot, just a little bit of text. All right, so yeah, goes there. Again, the point here is to get them engaged with the content, with the subject, and then after that you send them to a pre-sale page. Now this is basically your target page, okay? So this is your target page. You could do whatever you want with this. This could be an opt-in page where you ask for the name and email, or this could be a pre-sale page where you have a sales video and you sell a product. Okay, so again, this can be anything, but this step 1, which is the engaging part, is very important, and that's one of the, in my experience, one of the best ways to convert search traffic to sales. All right, so just that, keep that in mind. So yeah, I'm not gonna get into setting up the campaigns. Obviously, you gotta figure that out by yourself. Now, if you are a Versity member, especially Inner Circle Masterclass, there's a whole module about Bing advertising. It's a whole course inside there, and there's a whole course or module basically about Google advertising and YouTube advertising, which I'm gonna get into right now. So YouTube advertising, by the way, I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description for you. So YouTube advertising is pretty much the same thing. The only difference is that, you know, when you do your ads here, you just gotta go with the video. That's it, and you just go and run your ads. All right, so now a couple of tips. I'm going to give you something with YouTube advertising. I'm going to teach you something. The first step, I'm not going to get into setting up the whole thing. So the first step is the video itself, right? So let's go here. Let's do a new one. So the first step is the video itself. So when you do the video, what you want to make sure your video has a good story. That's very important. All right, a good story is just the key to a video ad success on YouTube. So let me show you a couple of these. So these are some of the videos that I did for a specific event. It's like I was selling this specific product on a very short time. Okay, this was like a day or so, maybe 2 days. I don't remember exactly, but yeah. So I did this. I did these videos, and I was in these videos I was telling a story, and this was a discovery ad. Basically, people didn't have to watch it; they had to click on it to watch the video. So I was just doing the stories, you know, and I was telling really some really interesting stories about my past, like what happened here and everything. So yeah, it was really good. Like, these are really good ad videos where I was telling a story. I'm not gonna play the sound for you, but yeah, so yeah, good story, that's the key here. Good story. And then what you want to do here is, on YouTube ads, you want to send them directly after your video. You want to send them directly to a sales page. Okay, now if you're promoting affiliate products, this can get a little bit tricky, because what you want to do is you want to send them to a pre-sale page with a video or something like that, and then send them to your affiliate link, which would be, you know, the main sales page. But yeah, just experiment with this. All right, so sales page would be something like, you know, a small product. This is another thing that I've explained inside Inner Circle Masterclass. What you could do is that you could send people to a small product. Okay, so let's say like $7, and then after that you can convert them to bigger sales, like $1,000 or something like that. Again, we talk about all these things in detail inside that's 10,000 but yeah, we talk about all these things in detail inside Inner Circle. Anyway, so this is how I do it, guys. You know, good story for your video ads, send them to the sales page directly, or a pre-sale page and then sales page. I don't recommend generating leads with YouTube ads. You know, maybe I haven't done it right, but I just think it's an inefficient way to do it. That's in my experience. That's how I think. That's how I feel about it. It's not very efficient. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some value from it and you learned something new today. So to close this video, I want to talk about something really important. So yesterday, I actually posted a video about my plans for this channel and what I'm about to do, because the thing is, I used to post a lot of videos on this channel, and then I kind of stopped, and I've been going kind of back and forth with it. You know, you see me posting a couple of videos a day, a couple of videos a week, and then go MIA for like a month or something like that. So you know, I've been working on a couple of projects, and I'm done with it. So I'm back to the channel, and I'm going to that. This is the thing. So I posted a video yesterday to ask for your opinion, and I said I'm gonna post 3 videos a day. So it's possible I could do it. I have the content, I have it already, and I could do it, but I decided to bring that to 2 videos a day. So if you're not a subscriber, okay, make sure to subscribe. I'm posting 2 videos a day. Okay, one's gonna be 11 a.m. Pacific time, and the second one's gonna be 6 p.m. Pacific time. All right, so make sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'm gonna post 2 videos a day. It's gonna be a lot of awesome content. If you're trying to start your online business, make money online, and all that stuff, this is something you definitely want to be a part of. All right, so also if you want to learn more, if you want to learn all these things in detail, because what I did in this video is I was just kind of glancing through everything, because I don't want to make this video a 5-hour long video. I have experience with long videos. I posted a 1-hour video, almost 1-hour video a month ago. It was a good video, but I just don't want to do that again. It's really frustrating to make that kind of videos. All right, so I don't want to make these long videos. So if you want to learn all these things in detail, because again, what I did was I was just kind of glancing through it. So if you want to learn it all in detail, you should definitely check out the link in the description. I'm going to leave it. You can just check it out, or maybe it just pops up right around here. I don't know if you can put it, but look for it. All right, so that link is going to take you to the page that's going to take you to my training program. If you want to be a part of it, it's absolutely amazing. You're going to see all these things in detail, click by click, step by step. Not only that, you're going to actually see me working out. You're going to actually see me creating these campaigns and basically doing it in front of you. So it's not just me telling you what to do, it's just me doing it in action. You see it all in action. Also, I'm going to give you templates. I'm going to give you all like done for you stuff, and then you're going to have a coach, okay, dedicated coach for yourself, and also weekly updates and everything. So it's absolutely amazing. It's a great program if you want to learn this thing, if you want to learn affiliate marketing or making money online the right way. That's the program you want to be a part of. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. Check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. If you have any opinions or comments, something that can help other people who are watching this video, definitely leave a comment. Let us know, and I'll see you in the next video.